So now discuss question 2 of exercise 6.3. Question 2 is in figure 6.40. This is figure 6.40. Angle x is equal to 62 degree. This angle is 62 degree. Angle XYZ. This complete angle is 54 degree. If YO and ZO are the bisectors of angle XYZ and XZY respectively of triangle XYZ, find angle OZY. OZY means this small angle, and YOZ this angle. Okay. Now see, first of all, there are two triangles XYZ and OYZ. Two triangles are there, and one angle is given of this bigger triangle, and this angle 54 degree is second angle of this bigger triangle XYZ. So you can find the third angle by angle sum property for triangle XYZ. Now first you see that you have to find angle OZY, means this angle of smaller triangle, and angle YOZ, this angle of again small triangle, that is YOZ. You have to find two angles of small triangle. Now it is given that first you will write given is angle X is equal to 62 degree, angle XYZ is equal to 54 degree. Now YO is a bisector of this angle. What does this mean? What does bisector mean? Bisector means bi means two, sect means cutting. It means bisector means this YO ray or this YO line is intersecting or is cutting this angle into two equal parts. Bisecting means you are cutting or you are dividing the angle into two equal parts. So I can write angle OYZ, this small angle of triangle OYZ, or first I will find this complete angle. So I can write proof is first for triangle XYZ. Okay, apply the angle sum property, angle X plus angle XYZ plus angle XZY. This angle plus this complete angle plus this bigger angle is equal to 180 degree, because angle sum property of triangle XYZ. Now we know the value of angle X. Angle X is 62 degree. Angle X is 62 degree plus angle XYZ. XYZ, this is 54 degree plus angle XZY is equal to 180 degree. Now 62 plus 54, 116 degree. Angle XZY is equal to 180 degree. And finally, the value of XZY is equal to 180 degree minus 116. And it will give you 64 degree. This is the value of XZY. But we have to find the two angles, that is angle OZY. This angle and this angle. You have noticed that this OZ is a bisector of this complete angle. This OZ is a bisector of this bigger angle. It means this OZ will divide this complete angle into two equal parts. So I can write angle for triangle OYZ. Now I am taking small triangle for triangle OYZ. Angle OYZ. First, I will find this angle. Angle OYZ. The small angle is equal to 1 by 2 of angle XYZ. Okay. Why? Because this OY will bisect this complete angle. If this complete is 54, then this small will be half of 54 because it is cutting this angle into two equal parts. So 1 by 2 and angle XYZ is 54 degree. It will give you 27 degree. And reason is OY is bisector of angle XYZ. This is the reason for this equation. Okay. So you have found angle OYZ. Smaller angle is 27 degree. Similarly, you can find angle OZY. OZY will be angle OZY will be 1 by 2. Now half of XZY. Angle XZY. Because reason is same that OZ is bisector of angle XZY. Now OZY is equal to 1 by 2 and angle XZY this is 64 degree and it will give you 32 degree. Now you have two values. First is angle OYZ, the smaller angle, that is 27 degree. OZY is 32 degree and the question was you have to find the value of angle OZY. So OZY is 32 degree. Now the question was you have to find the value of angle O, YOZ also. So for triangle OYZ, you can write angle OYZ plus angle OZY plus angle YOZ is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because reason is angle sum property of triangle. Okay. Now angle OYZ, this is 27 degree plus this angle is 32 degree plus angle YOZ is equal to 180 degree. So it will give you 59 degree plus angle YOZ is equal to 180 degree. And finally the value of angle YOZ will be 180 degree minus 59 degree and it will give you 121 degree. So the question was you have to find the value of angle YOZ, that is 121 degree by angle sum property of triangle, and the value of angle OZY that is 32 degree by concept of bisector.